Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today we're going to make a beef and mushroom fried rice. We're using some 5 spice in there and I'm using a beautiful ribeye steak. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, so let's take a look at what we've got here. So I've got cooked basmati rice. When you're making any form of fried rice, always use cold rice. Hot or warm rice doesn't work out so well, so cold rice. Mushrooms, I've got fresh mushrooms, I've roughly chopped them. My ribeye steak, you saw me just chop that, so they're about equal amounts as you can see. Onion, green onions, 5 spice powder, soy sauce. Now I'm using a light soy, you could use a dark one if you want. Garlic. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add a tiny amount of salt and pepper. Okay, so I've got my wok here, we're heating that up, getting it nice and hot. I've got some oil in there, I'm using the sunflower oil. Now we're about to put the onions, the garlic and the beef in. Now the beef that I've got is beautiful, so it's going to cook really nice and beautifully soft. So you may have seen me before do that method where I boil out the beef. I actually boil it and get it tender. We're not going to do that today because this is a beauty that we've got here. So in goes the onion. Here goes our ribeye and our garlic. Now you could be using another type of beef, of course, another cut. But make sure if you're going to follow this method now that it's a really nice quality so it cooks beautifully. I'll be back in about 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Looking fantastic. Let's now get in that little bit of 5 spice powder. I'm going to add some salt, but I'm not going to go crazy with the salt today because we've got the soy sauce, remember. Black pepper, plenty of that. We're now going to add our mushrooms. Like I say, which I've just sort of roughly chopped. And again, another 4 minutes, keeping it moving all the time. This is looking fabulous. We're now going to add in that soy. Like I said, I'm using a light soy. Use dark if you want. 2 minutes, keep it moving. Loving this. Time for our rice. Let's get in our cold rice in the mix. Just going to change spoons. Going to go with this. Just helps it sort of scoop over a bit easier. Stay on the high heat all the way. About 4 to 5 minutes. We're pretty much done. Okay, off goes the heat. That is beautiful. Let's finish that off with some green onions, or spring onions, whatever you call them. Give that one little mix. We're done. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Say hi. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.